But what you need to realize is that a warning sign or a symptom is not the problem. It is an indicator of a problem. It is not the problem.
Are you feeling more tired than usual, or noticing changes in your skin and hair? These could be early warning signs of vitamin deficiencies. It's easy to overlook them, but missing essential nutrients can take a toll on your body. In this video, we'll break down the 5 most common vitamin deficiency symptoms you might be ignoring, based on research from Dr. Berg. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to better health.
And if you don't have enough vitamin D, you just can't make energy.
Do you feel like no amount of sleep can shake off your tiredness? This could be more than just exhaustion. It might be a sign of vitamin D or vitamin B12 deficiency. Both of these vitamins are crucial for energy production, and when your body is running low, it can lead to persistent fatigue and weakness. A deficiency in B12 can even cause anemia, leaving you feeling drained and unable to function at your best.
Skin disorders are another big one, especially psoriasis and eczema. Oily skin. This is usually a problem with the oil glands of your body. It's called sebaceous glands that make something called sebum, which is a type of oil.
Is your skin dry, flaky, or breaking out in rashes? While we often associate skin problems with external factors, your skin is a window to what's happening inside your body. Deficiencies in vitamin B2, riboflavin, vitamin B3, niacin, and omega-3 fatty acids can result in skin issues like dermatitis, dry patches, or inflammation. If your skin health has been declining, it's worth considering whether your diet is providing enough of these key nutrients. Are you noticing more hair in your brush than usual? Hair loss can be alarming, but it's often linked to deficiencies in iron, vitamin D, and biotin, vitamin B7. These nutrients are vital for hair strength and growth. Without them, your hair may start thinning or shedding at a faster rate than normal. But the good news is, by addressing these deficiencies, you can help your hair return to its natural state.
Ability to think quickly is diminished. Basically, you have too many applications open on your desktop computer, but related to your brain.
Have you been struggling to focus or experiencing memory lapses? Your brain relies heavily on nutrients, and vitamin B6 and B12 play key roles in cognitive function. Low levels of these vitamins can lead to what's often called brain fog, where you have trouble concentrating or remembering things. If mental clarity is something you've been missing, it might be time to take a closer look at your vitamin intake.
A person going from a condition or emotion of happiness down to feeling irritable, down to angry, and then they get sad because vitamin D controls the regulation of your mood and it heavily influences emotions.
Do you find yourself more irritable or moody than usual? Deficiencies in vitamin B6, magnesium, and vitamin D can affect your mood, as these nutrients are involved in neurotransmitter function. A lack of these can lead to symptoms like anxiety, depression, or irritability. If you've been feeling off emotionally, it may be your body's way of signaling a need for more nutrients.
If you have too much cortisol, it's going to put you more in a different emotional state.
Now that you know the signs, what's the next step? Pay attention to your diet and ensure you're getting enough of these essential vitamins and minerals. Consider foods rich in vitamin D, B vitamins, and iron, or speak with a healthcare provider about supplement options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Keto Tuber for more health and wellness tips. Let us know in the comments what symptoms you've experienced, and we'll be happy to share more insights in our upcoming videos.